Hello, welcome to my channel. Do you like using ewedu to eat your swallow, but you don't like the fact that they add potash or baking soda to cook it? Come, let me show you a better way of cooking your ewedu without using those things I've mentioned. Very easy and simple. If it sounds like what you like, let's dive in. Alright, I got this fresh jute leaf or ewedu from my garden a moment ago. It's very fresh. So the first thing for me to do here is I'll cut the leaves from the stem. Take note of the way I cut the leaf. If you leave the stem, it's going to form a kind of fibrous strand and you will not enjoy the ewedu. It's better to pick it this way. Ewedu is a nutrient-dense leafy vegetable that supports overall wellness, including immune function, skin and bone health, heart health, digestion, and disease prevention, especially when cooked without using potash, as demonstrated in this video. Some people use potash to prepare their ewedu just to make it tender. Other people also use baking soda. But like I told you in this video, we can use a natural method that will keep the nutrients of our ewedu. So I finished cutting the leaves. So I proceed to wash. I wash off camera. Make sure you wash yours properly before you proceed to cutting. So let's go and cut now. So this is the most crucial aspect of this video. So I will cut the leaf, then chop until it has a fine texture. You can use blender for this, but I don't like using blender because it's used to smoothing it up, which I don't like. So I prefer the chopped one. If you have a food processor that can help you to chop it finely, that's all right. Traditionally, ewedu soup is served with amala, eba, pounded yam or fufu, often alongside a tomato-based stew or gbegiri, normally used to eat swallow. Is there any other way you know how to use ewedu soup? Let me know in the comments. There are some common mistakes that you should avoid while cooking your ewedu. Number 1, avoid overcooking the leaves so that it will not lose its viscosity. Number 2, don't add too much water. Adding excessive water makes it to become so watery that it's no longer slimy. Number 3, when picking out your ewedu, remember not to cut the stems into your ewedu. Number 4, wash thoroughly. Number 5, avoid overusing your potash or baking soda. Number 6, don't forget that you should add minimal ingredients. Overcrowding it with much ingredient make your ewedu to lose its color and viscosity and beautiful looks. So my ewedu leaf is finely chopped now, as you can see. So I'll just scoop it and put it inside the water. This will further enhance its sliminess. So on a pot, the fire, add a little water and my iru or locust bean. That one is optional. I'm not using crayfish. If you prefer, you can use. So I bring in my chopped ewedu. So I will use the spoon to break the crumbs, just to hasten its cooking process. Remember, we are not going to cook it for so long on the stove. Wow, can you see this blend of goodness? My ewedu is almost ready. That's it, healthy and fine. So I bring in my salt now, add a little salt and a little seasoning. Don't forget, little seasoning. It's fine. This is beautiful. So my ewedu soup is ready and ready to go off the fire. Cooking your ewedu this way gives you the best of the nutrients. So off the fire, and wow, can you see, without using potash, and it's slimy enough. Wonderful. I love this. Will you try this my recipe? So watching to this time shows you are interested in this recipe. Kindly give it a thumbs up, like and share with your friends, and tell me if you will use this method to cook your ewedu the next time you will cook it. This is it, very fine and green and viscous, slimy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.